Well done, you're on your final video of this diagnostic quiz. So this is on perhaps some more challenging questions you might be asked in series and parallel circuits. So a quick reminder, we're going to focus on resistors this time because that is new at Key Stage 4. We said resistance in a series circuit, we add them up, so each of these is 10 ohms, the total resistance will be 20 ohms. In a parallel circuit, this time each of these is 10 ohms, then the resistance is less than the smallest resistor because there's always an alternative route that the electrons can take that speeds up the overall flow of electrons or effectively reduces the overall resistance. So we're not expected to give an exact answer in an exam, we just say it's less than the smallest one. Well, what sort of difficult questions might they ask? Well, they might ask you things like this. They might tell you that in this circuit down the bottom, you've got a 9-volt battery. And in this case, you've got a 10 ohm resistor. And at this time, a 20 ohm resistor. And they might ask you to find the current in the circuit. And you're going to look at it and think, well, they haven't told me the current. So you need to go back to your Vera formula, or the Vera triangle if you prefer. And so I do have voltage and resistance. And because I don't know the exact resistance, I only know it's less than 10, I've got to do each branch separately. So again, it's how they make it challenging. So let's do the first branch. Well, our voltage is 9 and our resistance is 10 ohms. So for that branch, my current down here is 0.9 amps. I do exactly the same second one. This time it's 9 over 20, which equals 0.45 amps. And then the total current, so up here where the ammeter is actually going to be, is these two combined, so 1.35 amps. So these are the sorts of questions that it might give you, just to make it a little bit more challenging. So make sure you're kind of ready to pull in those formulas and go back to that. And I've seen particularly nasty questions using that formula.